Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Assistive Touch on your iPhone. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to press on this settings icon here. So I'm going to just press on settings icon, and when you scroll down you will see this option which says accessibility. So I'm going to just press on this accessibility option, and then here you need to press on the touch option. So just press on touch option, and once you press on the touch option, the top option you can see here is for assistive touch. So right now it's off. You can just turn it on by just pressing on this option once, and once you are inside this assistive touch menu, you can see this toggle button, so you can just toggle it to turn it on. Now in order to use it, you just need to press on, let's say, single tap here, and then just press on home. And so now I can see this kind of circle on my iPhone. So when I touch on it, you can see I just go to my home screen. So that's it. That's how you can turn on your Assistive Touch on your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.